Education Department, Sports and Youth Affairs Directorate and Education Development Corporation in collaboration of all three institutions with the help of Honorable CM Pramod Sawant, we are able to send 28 teachers, those who are teaching yoga and physical teachers in the special schools all over Goa. International School of Yoga at Kaivalya Dham, it's a research institute also. They have organized this course specially for the teachers, those who are teaching for special children. And we, with the help of government and the Directorate of Education, Sports and Corporation, plan to send our teachers to get the special training to teach the specific yogasana for the purpose or for some problem the special children have. So this was a good initiative by Kaivalya Dham, where they are doing a big research, 100-year-old institution, and Goa government, with the help of all these people, we are sending these teachers for this special seminar as well as workshop. We think that they will come back and utilize their training for the special children in our schools.
How many days this workshop is?
This is 3 days course. Today they will go. Tomorrow morning there will be inauguration, and the 9th evening there will be farewell.
This is the first time happening.
This is the first time.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.